What is up? Today I'm going to make a Marocchino, and I hope I pronounced that right. It could be Marocchino too. It's probably Marocchino, honestly. But it's going to be like a cappuccino, but chocolate. And super foamy, but also in like a really small cup, and also a ton of cocoa. So, that being said, got my cocoa shaker. I want to use the other cocoa. I don't think this is the... Oh, it's empty. Okay. Well, the cocoa I want to use is over there. I just need to remember to put some in here too. Or I could just leave it in that container. I kind of like it in that container. It's easier to get out. We'll use our teaspoon measurement. And we'll use... Yeah, we'll use the small double wall cup for this one. We'll also use our smallest frothing pitcher. And we got our shaker right here. We got the cocoa over there. I think we're just about set for all this. I'm also going to use this for mixing in the cocoa in the cup. But still involves espresso, so let's pull that. 16 grams as always. Oops. Perfect. About a teaspoon of this in here. That's all we need for a cup of that size. Maybe even less, honestly. And that cocoa smells so good. It's a new Ghirardelli cocoa that I got, and it smells amazing. Give it a tamp. Tamp feels good. Perfect level. We will pull a single for this. Go ahead and get the milk. Pressure looks good. Stream looks good. Very little milk, like hardly any really. Especially with that size of a pitcher. Get you warmed up. Get you mixed in. Cool. You gotta be really careful with the size of a pitcher. You need to let air in like as soon as you can, basically. You're gonna be letting a lot of it in too. Like pretty much nothing but air. You want a really good layer of foam here. But it's gonna expand a lot, and there's really not a lot of room in this pitcher, so we gotta be super careful. And just like that. I probably could have gotten away with using less milk, honestly. All right, got a good layer of foam, cool. Shaker. And just lay down the cocoa. And pour. I may get away with the heart here. Never mind. Pretend we never even tried the heart. And why not another bit of cocoa? There you'll have it. Marocchino. It's a very cool, tasty drink. Perfect for mornings like this, Monday mornings or whatever. Hopefully I can get you all a good view of it. Also for the thumbnail. All right, well, that's the drink. Thank you for watching as always.